Today, we will show you how to wire and mount your Zumo 590 or 595 to a motorcycle. If you are not confident that you can properly complete all or any of the following steps, stop and seek assistance from an experienced installer. The first step is to wire the motorcycle power cables to your motorcycle. For this step, we will need the motorcycle cradle, the motorcycle power cable, and 2 electrical crimp connectors. These are not included, and the size needed will vary upon your motorcycle's battery. Before you start, it is important to choose an accessible wiring path for the power and audio cables. Your ideal path will vary depending on the model of your motorcycle. Begin by disconnecting the Zumo from the motorcycle wiring harness. Next, locate the battery. Then disconnect the grounding wire. Once the ground wire has been safely removed, disconnect the positive wire. The fuse for the motorcycle power cable is located near one end of the cable. When cutting the wire, do not remove the fuse. A fuse is required for circuit protection from excess electrical current. If you choose to use crimps for this process, do that now. Now you will need to begin to attach the wiring harness. Start by attaching the positive wire from the wiring harness to the positive terminal on the battery. Now you will need to attach the grounding wire to the battery's grounding terminal. When the wiring is complete, you will need to attach the ram mount to your motorcycle's handlebars. To complete this process, you will need the following pieces of equipment that came with the mounting unit. Begin by installing the U-bolt and the handlebar base. Place the U-bolt around the handlebar and thread the ends through the handlebar base. Then tighten the nuts to secure the base. Now, it is time to assemble the mount. After the handlebar base is installed, we will need to attach the base plate to the motorcycle mount. Thread the pan head screws through the washers, cradle, spacers, and base plate. Then tighten the nuts to secure the base plate. Once the base plate is securely in place, attach it to the handlebar base. The last step is to install the Zumo to the motorcycle mount. Start by fitting the bottom of your device into the cradle. Tilt the device back until it snaps into place. When not in use, we recommend removing the Zumo from its mount, as this is a continuous power solution. This is important because bikes being wired in this way may experience battery drain. If you encounter difficulty with any of the installation steps, please contact an experienced installer. Thanks for watching.